Welcome, everyone. Today, I'm excited to share another free AI generator with you. I know many of you have been asking for more free AI tools, so I found something new to explore. Additionally, I'll be discussing a potential money-making opportunity related to this tool, so stay tuned for that. This AI tool is called PicLumen AI, and you can find the URL in the description below. Its landing page is simple, clean, and visually appealing. The website showcases impressive examples of the AI's capabilities, including realistic images, cyberpunk styles, and product shots. To access this AI, simply click the Generate for Free button. The interface is user-friendly. Here you can see a lot of images which is generated by the community. Now just simply click on the Create button. On the top of the page, you'll find different models. Clicking the arrow reveals a list of options: realistic, anime, line art, and they newly added another model which is Flux. The interface is straightforward. You can select the realistic model and choose from various aspect ratios. You can generate up to 4 images at once. You can also change the generation mode. I am keeping it quality. Diving into the advanced settings reveals several options. We have negative prompt option. We have CFG scale, which controls how closely the generated image adheres to the prompt. Higher values result in a stricter adherence to the prompt. Then we have steps, which determines the image creation process's iterations. More steps generally equate to higher quality but increased processing time. The recommended range is 20 to 40 steps, so let's keep it around 40. And again, nothing other than seed numbers. Now let's try a prompt. Close-up cinematic shot of an African warrior in a snow forest at night, preparing for a battle, realistic photography style. And hit Generate. Alright, so these are the output results, and I have to say these are really impressive in terms of quality. So, if I select one of them like this one and let me just zoom it in. Look at the quality just and look at the details, the reflections, the eyes, everything is so much detailed. And I don't know which free AI image generator going to provide you these kind of detailed results. So, this is so good in that. Well, you may be thinking that this is not a photorealistic. I'm not saying that these are the photorealistic results. But look at the quality, man, this is amazing. Well, we even have few more options, so if you click on one of the image like this one. So you can see we have the download button, then we have the remove background. So we also have a built-in background remover. Then we have a very useful option upscale, so if I click on that, this will improve the image quality even further. And now we have even more detailed version of that image. If you guys are running out of the ideas, you can just go to the Explore section, and here you can see all of the generations from the community from the anime. Like line art, you can find the realistic cartoon versions and even more creative stuff. So you can also get the idea from the community if you're running out with the ideas, and these are really interesting ideas. And if you're wondering this is not so good in the realistic images, how about this one? Now let's move on to the anime style. We're going to use this lengthy prompt. Extremely realistic, hyper-detailed, steampunk theme, extremely long red wavy hair girl, blushing, smiling happily, wears steampunk clothing. That's it. Simply hit Generate. Alright, so these are the output images. Not bad, but let's try something more interesting now. Let's try this one. A charming manga man with dark brown hair and hazel eyes, wearing a casual t-shirt and jeans, leaning against a fence in the backyard, vibrant colors, HD quality. Now, simply hit the Generate button. Alright, so now we have some interesting results. We have this handsome guy leaning against the fence with a pointed chain and very sharp jawline. It looks really good. Now, let's move on to the line art style and let me show you how you guys can make money out of this style. So you can head over to the fiverr.com, which is a freelance online marketplace. If I search for the keyword line art, you can see we have 6,300 plus results in this one, which is not too much in comparison to other gigs on the Fiverr end. If we look at all of these SS profiles, you can see they all are getting consistent sales on this one. Some even reaching over 1,000 orders. These sellers typically charge around $10 per image. Let's see how we can leverage PicLumen AI to create line art efficiently. Return to PicLumen and select the line art model. You can use client-provided descriptions as prompts. For example, I am trying a farmer working in his field, wheat field, cloudy day. I am selecting the image amount to 4. Adjust the aspect ratio as needed and generate images. The results are impressive. Creating similar line art traditionally using tools like Illustrator would be time-consuming. PicLumen AI offers a significant time-saving advantage. Now, in the same way, you can create different variations and kinds of line art to match your or your client's requirements. This is just an idea, an opportunity, but if you simply want to have fun with the tool, experiment with different models and art styles. Currently, PicLumen AI is completely free. There's no pricing information on the website. While this might change in the future, you can enjoy unlimited use for now. That's it for today.